how to control your GoPro Black 7 Black using your voice. Here's how to do it. Swipe down to access the dashboard. Tap the first image. You see those 3 images in blue color? We need the first image, and it looks like a person's head image. Tap on that to turn on and off. And there's a screen message if the voice command is on or off, but we need to leave it on. Next, tap preferences. See the word preferences? Tap on that. Now under preferences menu, tap voice control. And under the voice control menu, there are voice control, wake on voice, leave them on. You need to turn them on. Then under or below language, there's commands. I'll show you all the GoPro Black 7 commands. There you go. Swipe down so you can see them all. Up, swipe up. One more time. Now let's try all those voice commands. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, highlight. Highlight, it adds highlight tag to your video during recording. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, shoot burst. GoPro, start time lapse. GoPro, stop. GoPro, video mode. You see, you see the icon, video icon down on your left, down on the corner left. It's under a video mode. Let's try GoPro photo mode. GoPro capture. It's on a camera mode. GoPro capture. Let's switch mode to video. GoPro video mode. When you switch to video mode or to photo mode, it doesn't start recording, or it doesn't it doesn't take a picture. It doesn't start taking photos. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button.